Hi there, Dr. Sherry Carlson with Synergy Chiropractic and Wellness Clinic located right here in lovely Sartell, Minnesota. Today, I would like to talk to you about that popping sound that you hear when you get a chiropractic adjustment. It's actually not bones breaking or cracking like so many people think. It's just that as pressure builds up inside your joints, there's gases in there that release when we adjust you, and that's what creates that popping sound. It's just pretty much like your knuckles popping when you do that. So it's nothing to be afraid of. It's going to make you feel better, and give it a try. Give us a call here at Synergy at 320-257-8266 if you think that we can help you, and have a great day.